Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to talk about a miracle food that can help you lower your cholesterol and improve your heart health. Can you guess what it is? It's oatmeal. Oatmeal is a delicious and nutritious breakfast that has been shown to have many benefits for your health. But did you know that oatmeal can also lower your bad LDL cholesterol levels without lowering your good HDL cholesterol? That's right, oatmeal can help you prevent and treat high cholesterol, which is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. How does oatmeal do this? Before we get into it, can you do us a favor? Click on the subscribe and thumbs up button and help us spread the word about oatmeal and cholesterol, and ring the bell to stay up to date with our latest video. We want to make sure you get the latest info that you can live a long, healthy life. So how does oatmeal can lower cholesterol? Well, oatmeal is rich in soluble fiber, which is a type of fiber that dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your intestines. This gel-like substance can bind to cholesterol and prevent it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. Instead, the cholesterol is eliminated from your body as waste. This way, oatmeal can lower your total and LDL cholesterol levels, and also reduce the inflammation and oxidative stress that can damage your arteries. How much oatmeal do you need to eat to lower your cholesterol? According to the research, you need to eat at least 1.5 cups of cooked oatmeal a day, which is equivalent to about 40 to 60 grams of dry oats. This amount of oatmeal can lower your LDL cholesterol by 5 to 8%, which is significant. Of course, you also need to eat a balanced diet that is low in saturated fat, trans fat, and cholesterol, and high in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and lean protein. You also need to exercise regularly, quit smoking, and manage your stress levels. How can you make your oatmeal more tasty and healthy? There are many ways to enjoy oatmeal, and you can customize it according to your preferences. You can cook your oatmeal with water or milk, and add some fruits, nuts, seeds, spices, or sweeteners to enhance the flavor and nutrition. For example, you can add bananas, walnuts, cinnamon, and honey to your oatmeal for a classic combination. Or you can try apples, almonds, nutmeg, and maple syrup for a fall-inspired oatmeal. Or you can go for berries, pistachios, vanilla, and agave nectar for a refreshing oatmeal. The possibilities are endless, and you can experiment with different ingredients and combinations. Oatmeal is not only good for breakfast, but also for other meals and snacks. You can use oatmeal to make muffins, cookies, bars, granola, pancakes, waffles, bread, and more. You can also use oatmeal as a substitute for flour in some recipes, or as a coating for chicken or fish. You can also add oatmeal to soups, casseroles, and salads for extra fiber and texture. Oatmeal is a versatile and wholesome ingredient that you can incorporate into your diet in many ways. But don't just take my word for it. Let me show you some scientific evidence that proves how oatmeal can lower your cholesterol and protect your heart. Here are some studies that have been published in reputable journals and have been cited by many experts. A meta-analysis of 58 clinical trials involving 3,973 participants found that oatmeal consumption significantly lowered total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, without affecting HDL cholesterol. A randomized controlled trial of 204 participants with high cholesterol found that eating oatmeal daily for 6 weeks reduced LDL cholesterol by 16.3%, compared to a control group that ate refined wheat bread. A randomized crossover trial of 88 participants with high cholesterol found that eating oatmeal with blueberries for 4 weeks lowered LDL cholesterol by 8.5%, compared to a control group that ate oatmeal without blueberries. A randomized controlled trial of 50 participants with type 2 diabetes found that eating oatmeal with almonds for 4 weeks improved glycemic control, lowered LDL cholesterol, and increased HDL cholesterol, compared to a control group that ate oatmeal without almonds. These are just some of the many studies that have demonstrated the benefits of oatmeal for lowering cholesterol and improving heart health. So, what are you waiting for? Start eating oatmeal today and see the difference in your cholesterol levels and your overall health. Oatmeal is a miracle food that can help you lower your cholesterol and protect your heart. It's easy, affordable, and delicious. Give it a try and let me know how you like it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on healthy eating and living. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.